Hello everyone. Today we'll be covering some more advanced type of statements like nested statements and arrays and stuff like that. Just nested statements and arrays. That's it, I guess. Okay, so let us jump straight into it. I think. Yeah, let's jump straight into it. So as you can see in the bottom corner over here, it says that my update is available, so I'll just start updating. And I'll see you when it's updated. So we'll have PyCharm open up again and update once again. It's almost done. Okay, so I have a lot of background stuff running apparently. It's just it wants to update, but it can't obviously because it's running while this was updating. So, and you ain't seen nothing for the day we're streaming. Let's open this back up. So we'll just have to say proceed because there's no other option if we want to. If we want to keep it going and updating. So let's proceed. See you then. Okay, wow, this is the new PyCharm. That looks pretty cool. It's not bad. Okay, we'll close the adventure.py. Control Shift A, type clone Kara. Choose the desired action. Never knew that. Next type. Okay. We'll make a new Python file called advanced topics. Oh hey, I don't know if you noticed, but if you're using PyCharm, you should notice on your other screen, or on the same screen or whatever, you should notice that these arrows look different. They put a line 1 when you're on line 1, and so on. So, let's get straight into this. So, just make my screen a bit bigger. Then, in advanced topics.py, say enter, and then, okay. First off, nested statements, because they're easier. Nested statements are statements inside statements. So, let's just see what that means. So, if I say variable name equals Ayusha, and then first name equals Ayush, and then you'll say if first name equals Ayush, and then we want to say, and then last name equals Shah, and then we can say if last name equals SHA group equals S, like for the last name, S. Oops, S, there we go. And then if group equals S, then it's like an activity. So activity equals math, and if activity is equal to math, finally, then we'll say likes. True, I do like math. True, I do like math. True. If likes, yes, you can do this because it's a boolean, so you can just say if likes, and then Python interprets it as if likes equals true. If likes, then mood equals happy. And if the mood is happy, then we'll say to and then we'll say effect cooperative, and if that effect is cooperative, then we'll say print this will be a good time. And if you hear the mixture in the background, that's because my mom is mixing some stuff. Okay, so this is nested statement. Usually it's not going to be this many nested statements at once, but I just did it because, why not? So it's saying if that first name is Ayush, then the last name is Shah. And if that last name is Shah, then the group is S. And if that group is S, the activity is math. And then if that activity is math, then does he like it? Yes. If he likes it, then his mood will be happy. And if his mood is happy, the effect is he's cooperative. And if the effect is that he's cooperative, this will be a good time. It's pretty long. It's pretty simple. Let's just run it. Oops. No. No. You ain't seen nothing. Whew. No spoilers for tomorrow. But yeah. Okay. This is pretty much nested statement, so we'll get rid of that. Now we'll talk about arrays. An array is like a list, except it's called an array. Well, that didn't sound right. Have you ever played like Sudoku? Where it's like like that. Well, that's kind of what's this. Arrays are like this. So I'm gonna name this first array. We're gonna set this equal to, how about we make it friends? Friends. And this is just square brackets. And we'll make friends equal to my friends. So William, you see him on this channel. Corbin, the FBI. Connor, the zombie. Declan is my other friend. Matthew, my other friend. Chase. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay. That's it. So now if we print friends, then what comes out? This, because it's literally printing out whatever's here. Yeah, okay. Say we wanted to add something to the list, then we could do that by saying friends dot append, and I could say Rochelle. And now if I print out friends, it will add Rochelle at the end of it. Pretty simple. If I wanted to grab a certain object in the array, like for example, Declan. So what we do then is that we say, so how arrays work is that this is the 0th item. Yeah, you'll have to get used to it. I got used to it. It's pretty easy. It's fine. So this is William. This is the 0. 1, 2, 3. So this is the 3rd item in the array. Or you can just go 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's 3 because yeah. So we'll say friends, and then in square brackets we'll say 3. Now if we run it, we get Declan. Let's say I wanted to take someone out of this array, which would be pretty mean, but yeah. Say friends dot pop. You can say friends dot pop too, but I don't use it that much. Let's just try it. Friends dot pop Matthew. There we go. So now if we run it, Matthew, right. You have to put the number of array. See, if I say pop, then you can say index. It says index over here. I'm sorry for the bad quality if it's bad quality. Okay, so that's index. And then friends.pop Matthew is the 4th array. Run it, and there's no Matthew anymore. But instead of friends.pop, we can say friends.remove. And now if we say Matthew again. I mean, like, I don't have anything against him, but yeah. William, Corbin, Connor, Declan, Chase. Matthew's not here. So that's how you add, remove, that type of stuff. Yeah, so that was a good short video. I will be probably streaming, let's see, streaming tomorrow, at noon, sometime at noon, 11:59, 12 o'clock, and it'll probably be an hour. Yeah, so that's it's about streaming, and thank you guys for getting us to 600 views. We're really happy to get to over half 1,000 views, so 601 views so far. We can get this video like 20-30 views, to bump that number up. But yeah, thank you for 600 views, and I'll see you tomorrow live. Bye.